Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. And also hit the notification bell if you actually want to see when I drop my next vid. So let's crack this open right here. This package right here is coming from Yeezy Supply. I actually did the pre-order when they actually had it up. But I guess their processes of actually shipping it out, it just takes forever. Even for a pre-order, they actually, it was still after you get it after the release. So it would have probably been quicker if I just grabbed it directly from Adidas, but it is what it is. So let's crack this open right here. Again, this is coming from Yeezy Supply. So as far as doing a pre-order, unless it's something that I really like, I probably will never do a pre-order through Yeezy Supply again, since it's, I don't know, I just didn't like the way they handled their pre-order process. Here is the shoe. As you can see, it has the 500 up top right there. Yeezy 500 made by Adidas. Yeezy 500 made by Adidas right there. Again, they have their Yeezy Supply sticker right there. Size 10.5, and colorway is blush. So this is the blush colorway right here. And actually, you could see the sticker underneath. It will actually say Desert Rat 500. I don't know if you guys can see that in the video, but underneath the sticker is another sticker that you can actually see Desert Rat on it. So they just put a sticker over an old label. So I guess they didn't like the name Desert Rat. So right there. So here are the shoes, the Yeezy 500. And again, this one, based on, on the label, there's no boost on this shoe at all. You got the Adiprene Plus, I guess. It's the bottom. You got the non-marking outsole right here. And it's a funky design right there. And then you got the suede material with a couple of I guess like a mesh type. Got the laces, and then their lacing system right here. You got this little, middle piece where you have to put the shoelaces through. And inside you do have this insole right here. It says Adidas Yeezy Ortholite. You can see with the different markings, I guess. Adidas branding right there. And again, no boost at all. Material wise though, like as far as the suede, it does feel nice. And so here's the other pair right here. And then at the bottom, you kind of like a, I guess, leather right here. But yeah, material wise, it does feel nice. It looks like it's gonna be breathable with all these, but we'll see how it fits later on. How it feels. But again, what I've heard people say, it does feel comfortable with it. So it's not boost, but it is still comfort wise, it's still okay. So we'll see. Again, just a quick look at the Yeezy 500, the blush colorway. If you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.